We both came from families that had 6 kids, so when my husband and I got married, we decided that we wanted to have 7 kids, and sometimes we joke that it took 5 kids to realize that maybe that wasn't the smartest idea. Maybe someday my kids will get on the internet and make videos about how hard it was to be raised in a big family, but to me, 5 was not that big. I also think about the issue of loneliness a lot and how I don't struggle with that at all. With there being 6 siblings all together, we're pretty close-knit and we are there for each other. I was the oldest. It was amazing. I did help raise my siblings. I changed diapers, I made meals, and I thought that made me a better human being. There's some financial trade-offs for having a large family. I almost exclusively shop at Aldi's because it's literally the only place we could afford. I do feel very fortunate that we live in Louisville, Kentucky, and supposedly that's one of the most affordable places to live. I will laugh so hard if this video gets a lot of views just because I'm talking about having a lot of kids and how I love being a child of many.